Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain People's Location Tracking Service, Part 3. We'll dive deep into its updated features and performance. This service allows users to share their real-time whereabouts with trusted contacts, offering peace of mind for many. We'll cover everything from its accuracy to its user interface, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Stay tuned to learn more about this powerful tool. This iteration brings significant enhancements, particularly in accuracy. Users report a 95% accuracy rate in urban areas, which is a substantial improvement. The service now provides real-time updates every 5 seconds, ensuring you always have the most current information. Furthermore, its customizable privacy settings give you granular control, letting you decide precisely who can view your location and for how long. These features make it a robust tool for staying connected. While powerful, there are important considerations. Continuous location sharing can increase battery consumption by up to 20% on some devices, so plan accordingly. It's crucial to regularly review your sharing settings. Ensure you're only sharing with trusted individuals. Remember, while the service offers strong privacy controls, no digital platform can guarantee 100% absolute privacy. Always exercise caution and informed judgment when using such tools. In conclusion, this location sharing service, Part 3, is a highly effective tool for family coordination and emergency preparedness. Its enhanced accuracy and control features are commendable. However, it's vital to balance the convenience it offers with your personal privacy comfort levels. We recommend using it for specific limited periods, such as during travel or events, rather than for continuous 24-hour tracking. Make an informed choice that suits your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.